The state of Alabama has issued a child abduction emergency, Amber Alert. The Jefferson County Sheriff's Office and the Alabama Law Enforcement Agency ask for your assistance in locating Willen Jace McLean, black male, 3 years of age. Willen was seen on May 13, 2024, at approximately 1 a.m. in the area of Dewberry Lane in Forestdale AL, and is believed to be in extreme danger. He is believed to be abducted by Willie Edward McLean Jr. The subject may be traveling in a white Chevrolet Silverado bearing Alabama tag 051ASC. If you have information on whereabouts of this child, contact Jefferson County Sheriff's Office, call 205-325-1450 or call 911.